Alrighty guys, here's another video. This one's a cheap box fan, I forget the name of it. It's a Homemaker, there you go. Probably going to use this in my bedroom. But yeah, anyway, it's actually from Hard Rubbish. Dad got it for me a while back and was thrown out on hard waste. The louver mechanism is broken, so I'm not going to show you that running. But the fan itself works quite smooth. If it's going to work. No, because the power board's being cheap. This one's working, so let's get this one working now. Right, so we started off on low. Oh, you're kidding me. Oh, that's why this is meant to be on. I don't know why they always make that ticking. They always do that. It's been about a year since I've turned it on. It kind of blows and it vibrates a lot, as you can see. So yeah, and the louver will eventually fall off. This is why I don't use it. Don't know if you can see the shakiness. Can't see it in there. And we got high. Yep, that louver's about to come off. There it is. Nothing too spectacular about this fan, really. And I figured I might as well show you. And just for those OCD people, I'll turn it back that way. Shut the stupid ticking up. So yeah, this is practically all there is. This is just a cheap Australian box fan, really. That is now changed their name from Homemaker to Anko. But yeah, good to see it still works though. It took forever to clean. So yeah, still dirty, but oh, it's a cheap box fan. Thanks for watching, bye.